Make a wedding registry like a pro. Top doors and don'ts revealed. Imagine receiving gifts that actually make your new life together easier, more joyful, and less cluttered. That's the magic of a well-planned wedding registry, one that doesn't feel overwhelming or filled with items you'll never use. Whether you're newly engaged or deep into planning, mastering your registry can turn gift-giving into a meaningful reflection of your shared future. A wedding registry is more than a wish list. It's an intentional collection of tools, experiences, and essentials that will support your journey as a couple. Yet, many make avoidable mistakes, requesting too much, omitting practical items, or forgetting the emotional side of gift-giving. Start by reflecting on your lifestyle. Do you host dinners, love to travel, prefer cozy nights in? Your registry should reflect that. Begin with foundational items: quality cookware, bedding, home maintenance tools, and organization systems. Then, think beyond tradition. Board games for couple nights, an espresso machine for mornings together, or contributions to your honeymoon or future home. Many modern platforms now allow experiences and cash funds, expanding your options far beyond linens and flatware. But there are missteps to avoid. Don't overload your registry with trendy gadgets or duplicate items. Don't forget to include different price points, so all guests feel comfortable contributing. And don't delay launching your registry early. Gives friends and family time to plan their gift giving. Choose user-friendly platforms that let you combine items from multiple stores or sync with apps for real-time updates. Some offer perks like discounts on unpurchased items or free returns. Add personal notes to explain why a particular gift is special to you. It adds a human touch that guests appreciate. Remember to regularly review and update your registry. Out-of-stock items or discontinued products can leave your guests scrambling. Keep it fresh, well-organized, and consider it. A well-constructed wedding registry doesn't just reduce the stress of gift planning, it also strengthens the bond between you and your guests. Each item becomes a symbol of love, support, and the exciting life ahead. What would your perfect wedding registry say about your new life together?